Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Just kidding. What's up, guys? It's Brandon, Gate Guy. So heading back over to that solar slide gate job that we started, and I got the guys from Valley Fencing over there. I use them a lot. They're a subcontractor of mine. They do pretty much all the iron work and fencing work and concrete work, and I do all the gate motors and stuff like that, so we were pretty well together. Anyway, they're pouring the concrete footing for me so I can do my bolt down track. So gonna head over there and see what the progress is and what's going on. Any problems or anything. Gonna give them a little pep 3 p.m. Energy boost. Got some Gatorades for the guys. And yeah, we'll check in there in a minute. All right. So got here to the job, and it looks like these guys are already done and gone. Caution tape up, that's good. They won't be able to drive over it. The track all laid out. Looks like they pull the chain link off to pad in there. So this is their concrete pad. Nice finish on it. Yeah, these guys do good work. Cool. So yeah, it looks like they got it going. I guess they don't get the Gatorade. Well, I'll save it for another day. But all right, I'll check back in a couple days. Again, this is Brandon, the Gate Guy, and we'll keep you updated on the progress. And yeah, when I come back, we should start pulling wire, get the operator mounted, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.